Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Wurlitzer and Back and a Wurlitzer Back with man, which is sometimes referred to as a Double Wurlitzer. So the first thing you need to know is how to do a Wurlitzer. I'm assuming you've already got that. If not, there is a link in the description below so you can go back and fill that gap in your repertoire. But the Wurlitzer and Back looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. And obviously you could do travelling versions of that, whether off the return or the spins. So let's break it down. Starts like an absolutely standard Wurlitzer. So we go back, we go flat, we do our Wurlitzer prepare, spin number 1 happens as expected. Ideally you'd like to be reaching to collect the wrist as early as possible, and then you can guide that wrist through all the way through so we get something that looks like a Wurlitzer prepare in mirror image but with a wrist connection, and then it's spin in a turn direction, catch, return and back. So let's do that from the other side and look at it with numbers. So we go semicircle back on 1, in flat 2, preparation 3, spin number 1 4, prepping on 5, spin number 2 6, catching 7, returning 8 and back 1. So let's do it. Here we go. 5, a 6, a Wurlitzer and back. You go a back, flat, prepare, spin, catch, return and back. And now the next step, which is Wurlitzer and Back with man, sometimes called the Double Wurlitzer, which looks exactly the same. One small change: when the lady spins, the guy also spins. Both directions. So let's break that down. We go back 1, in and flat 2, preparation 3, the lady's going to spin to her left, the guy's going to spin to his right. So we go all the way around. Try and get round early enough, guys, you can still reach to pick up that wrist, and then we do the prep. Now guys, we're going to spin left as we spin the lady's right, round, catch, back, return, and you are done. The timing is exactly the same as the first one. It's just the guy spinning 2. Let's try it together. 5, a 6, a Double Wurlitzer. We go a back, flat, prepare, spin, catch, return and back. And that's it for this time. Hope you've enjoyed watching World of Floorcraft. We will pop a music recommendation on the end, and if you would be so kind, like, subscribe and hit the bell. Helps promote the channel and dancing generally. We'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.